Hello again, and welcome back. Before we start our technical deep dive into the Where for Dinner reference application, it first deserves a functional overview. What problem is it trying to solve, and how do you use it? Where for Dinner is based on my own personal experience with trying to get a reservation at a very popular restaurant at a very well-known theme park. So here's how it goes. Many popular restaurants will generally either suggest or require reservations to get a table. Frequently, this isn't a problem, as all you need to do is go out and either go to the restaurant's webpage or a third-party website like OpenTable, and you can generally find an open reservation time that suits your needs without too much work. If the restaurant is unusually popular or your desired dining window lands within an extremely busy time of day, the experience is not quite that easy. You would generally resort to solutions like looking for a different reservation time that may not be optimal for your schedule, coming back and searching again later, or just continuously hitting the search for availability button over and over in hopes that there is a cancellation before you finally give up in frustration. This is the exact experience I had when trying to get a reservation at the restaurant in the previously mentioned theme park. So since I'm a developer and I like things automated, I initially cobbled together a simple application that would do the continuous searching for me and then notify me when I found something that I was looking for. And that is the core function and outcome of Where for Dinner. Continuously search for open reservations based on my search criteria, and I'll either come back later and see what's been found, or better yet, send me a notification when something I want is available. So let's do a run through the app and see how to use it. First, I want my searches and results to be unique to me, so I need to log in. Depending on my login provider, my account can either be pre-set up by an administrator, or I can use self-service. After I log in, I'm presented with the search details screen. First, let's give the search a unique name, and I like eating in the Plaza area of Kansas City, so I'll just call it KC Plaza. Next, I need to provide a general location where to search, which includes a zip code and a search radius. This is enough information to get the search starting, but the results will include all restaurants that the application knows about within that vicinity. That's fine if I would like to be presented with choices, but today I just want to eat some barbecue. So I'll just search my favorite restaurant, Jack Stack. Next, I need to give it a time window, and I'll choose sometime tonight between 6 and 9 p.m. By default, I have to come back to the application and see if it's found anything, but I could optionally provide an address or handle to send out real-time notifications, which is really a better way to do things. But for now, I'll just leave this field blank and I'll click the Submit Search button. I can now see my submitted search below. Behind the scenes, Where for Dinner is submitting my search to a search processing service in a configurable loop. By default, that loop is every 2 minutes. So after a couple minutes, I can come back and see if anything was found. And sure enough, there's an open time window. I can now click on the reservation link, which will take me out to the reservation site, and I can reserve a table. So that's it. From a user's perspective, there's really not a lot to it. But behind the scenes, there are several services and components all working together to find me that table. In the upcoming videos, we'll take an in-depth look at Where for Dinner's service-based architecture and learn how Spring makes it incredibly easy to build a contemporary cloud-native application.